In this video, we'll learn how to create a menu for our store. To begin, we navigate to the menu section and click on Item. The first step is to add a subcategory to our menu. We start by clicking on the Add New button in the subcategory section and enter the name of the subcategory. For this example, we're adding pizza as a subcategory. Following that, we input the sequence number, in this case, 1. The sequence number determines the order in which our subcategory will appear to users. Now we encounter a toggle. Is the subcategory visible to the user? If the toggle is off, then users will not see our subcategory. However, when we turn on this toggle, the subcategory becomes visible to the user. After pressing the Submit button, we successfully add a subcategory named Pizza. The next step is to add an item. So, we click on Add New, and it will first prompt us for the item name. We add Italian pizza as the name. Next, we set the price at $20. Following the price, we decide on the tax. For this item, we choose not to select any taxes. Then, we select the subcategory that the new item will fall under, which is pizza. Now, we move on to the description of the item, writing Authentic Italian Pizza. We now have 2 more toggles to consider. First, check if your item is visible to the user. If the visibility toggle is off, the item will not be visible to the user. We will turn on this toggle, making it visible to the user. The next important toggle is the in-stock status. If this toggle is off, it means we are out of this particular item, and it will not appear on the menu for the user. We'll turn this toggle on. Now, we will set the sequence number. We will add one here. After adding all the details, we will click the Next button. Next, we select the image for the item. We need to choose an image of the pizza. Here's the selection. If this image is chosen, it will become the default image for the pizza. After selecting the image, we will click on Customize. We will cover modifiers in a new video. After completing all the details, we will hit the Submit button, and as you can see, the Italian pizza has been added successfully. Now, let's talk about categories. By default, store owners cannot create categories or subcategories. However, if the admin has enabled the feature for store owners to create categories or subcategories, then they will be able to do so. We will create a category. We will click on Add New, and then we will add the category name. I will add lunch, then select an image. Upon hitting the Confirm button to select an image, I'll choose which subcategories will be included in the new category. I am selecting pizza. The sequence number will be 1, and an important new toggle is Category Visible to User. If this toggle is on, then only the user will see this category. If the toggle is off, the user will not see this category. I will turn on this toggle, and next I'll set the category time. If any of the Open Full Day toggles are turned off, for example, for Monday, I will turn off the Open Full Day toggle, then I will need to add the slot time. For instance, I want this particular category to be visible to the user between the time frame of 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. After setting the time, I will hit the Save button, and it will only be visible during the slot time of 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. After adding all these details, I will click on the Submit button. And as you can see, the lunch category has been added successfully.